Yo, what's up everybody? I'm in Kuta at the front of Discovery Kartika Plaza Mall, and there is so many new things in Subway in Bali for the very first time, very first Subway in Bali is right now, and it's so many queue, actually so long queue, full of local people interested to try it, because not everybody got opportunity in their life to go to other country, because usually on other country, or even to Jakarta to try it. So it's very interesting. And there is also Bird's Papa. Bird's Papa is so cool, and also Discovery Shopping Mall seems like it's getting better and better, a little bit more alive, so that's cool. From the street you can see the Bamboo Bar and Spice Mantra Indian restaurant, but well, obviously the Subway sandwich bar is the most popular right now. Look at the queue. Actually, I was trying if we need to think to go, but last time I ate in Bangkok, obviously, but I don't know if I wanna wait. Starbucks, as always, is open here. It's actually also renovated, very empty, but it is. Paletas Way ice cream, of course. And what is the most interesting thing there is the Bird's Papa. This is also the newest thing. Last time I think I saw also in Bangkok or in Singapore or in Malaysia, but it's here. Like this one, prices, they have it, the post. Hello, how are you? Looks like this one, the same as always. And Winnie is waiting here for me. Hi Sayang, how you doing? where's our puff? Not yet, not yet. Water boom at the front, bamboo grill bar also. As you can see, situation a little bit better than it was. Some cab drivers, some people walking on the street, and they also have a very interesting electric scooters here, which is very interesting. Waiting for my puffs. Coming right now. Oh, with cappuccino. Thank you. Thank you.
So we have afternoon coffee, actually.
Afternoon tea, like,
Oh,
but coffee.
Tea.
Actually, coffee. Bird Papa overlooking Kuta. Let's see what's going on.
And then we just, decided to come to Kuta today to show you how is the area of Discovery shopping mall, because nowadays, slowly, everything here in the Discovery shopping mall picking up. There are some new shop later on we will show you. And now let's watch the traffic.
And also water boom is at the front of us, so you can have a view what's going on and comprehensive review of Kuta situation today at the front of Discovery shopping mall. Check this out, actually the queue to the subway is getting bigger and bigger each time. Like I said, this is something very, very new in Bali, and not everybody were fortunate enough to try it. That's why it's so popular. Exactly the same story was with the IKEA.
This
exactly
is how Bali, whatever it is opening, just opening for, brand new things, will be packed of people waiting, probably waiting until 1 hour.
Oh, this is like a 1 hour queue in Subway, like that. 45 minutes in Bali. Okay.
It's only for sandwich?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go to
Let's
the beach.
get inside, huh? And this is how does it look like a mall inside. I'm gonna tell you, during the pandemic, it was almost every shop here closed, like totally deserted. Now seems like it's better. More shops are coming in. Even there are some people here in the little bazaar with the clothes and everything. So seems a little bit more optimistic. However, the stairs going up doesn't work. So that means only first ground floor is operating. But there are some girls working and some people, and they have some pineapple shirts here and dresses, and this will coming soon. So I'm gonna tell you, it's getting better. Definitely, if you watch my videos through pandemic times, it was like super deserted here. Now it's optimistic. Maybe during when the high season come in June, July, summertime, will be better. I strongly believe. And yeah, that's how it looks like. Let's go to the beach side over there. And for everybody who will complain, because every single time we're getting to the mall, either here in Bali or in Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, you go to the mall, what the, So it is how it is. This is very important landmark in Bali. And tell me, honey, what do you think about the mall in general?
Aircon works. So Bali nowadays it's super hot.
Very hot.
32, 33, almost 34 degrees basically. So hiding inside the mall is a good thing to cool off yourself.
Very important. Very important thing. And if you're gonna live in Southeast Asia for more than 5 years, you will really appreciate going to the malls. I believe many of you who did like this agree with me now. Okay, let's go out then to the beach. Let's take a little bit of sweat now. And if you get out from the mall, the situation looks like this one. All right, I'm gonna tell you, it's also slightly improving outside. Last time here was nothing. I mean, like literally nothing and nobody. Do you still remember that? I was sitting somewhere here alone, like literally alone. Now there's some little coffee shop here, looks pretty successful, somebody's buying something, and the Ocean 360 is kinda open now again, at least they did something, and there's Vilo, looks actually fancy with this open like concept with the big windows actually. This is actually very nice, I like it. And there is the Vietnamese food actually, and yeah, still a lot of empty plots to you know, do something here, but definitely is better. Definitely better.
Stay positive and optimistic.
Always optimistic and always positive. Oh, let's get there. The kids playing the basketball. I wanna see. So somebody opened a little coffee shop. This is actually very cool. I like it so much. I already imagine the monkeys coffee like that. Could be good. So many actually visitors here, international, locals. I think it's really not so bad. Oh, look at this little doggo here. Also so cute. And some people here enjoying the time. Ocean 360 is just little bit. The swimming pool is gone recently, I can see. And generally that's the ocean front. Kids playing the basketball, and well, on the sad view is on the other side. There was a huge restaurant where I had my very first meal when I came to Bali. I don't remember how many years ago was that. I was sitting there. This place is gone, so this is only memory. And yeah, that's how does it look like. Also the newest Promenade and low tide. Unfortunately, I think deep inside over there, it's rainy already. And if we don't have an umbrella, what we gonna do? Better we stick around, huh?
Let's go probably there.
Yeah, let's go. Anyway, basketball. This is actually cool also as they use the empty plot of here of the land so the people can play basketball. That's actually very cool. I like it so much. Yeah, that's how does it look like. There's another afternoon in Bali. And seriously guys, many of you guys are new just on my channel, so you may skip my old videos, but if you're watching me since the beginning or early beginning, 2020, 2021, even last year, this area was totally deserted and empty, very sad. But now, definitely much more optimistic. Picking up, that's so cool. Also brand new promenade here. So cool actually, it's really, Kuta is getting better and better, to be honest. And there is also beach walk and Kuta beach, and there is another building and Kuta art market. Probably on different occasion we're gonna go there to film and just wanna show you a little bit around how does it look like, the mall situation. In case if you ask, Discovery Shopping Mall, that's the name. And some people here also, that's cool. Ocean 360 slightly recovering, however they still have a pillars here not unfinished, but well, give them time a little bit. And the brand new promenade also. Very enjoyable to walk here, especially right now where is the brand new promenade. Actually the promenade, first of all in Sanur, and then from Kuta, actually nearly from the airport area, from the German beach up to the north Seminyak, is probably the best thing what's happened to Bali recently. This is really good. What do you think as Balinese about this one?
I hope there is no electric bikes here and bing. That's annoying. That's the thing that I hope that this, you know, the Banjar or the local authorities, especially in the Kuta area, didn't let that kind of business.
Exactly. Also, we made a video yesterday in Sanur. In case you skipped for some reason, the authorities in Sanur, they banning it since 1st of April. So, well, that's hope for everybody who don't like electric scooters. We are just joking. We took the rest, and I was watching. Oh, that's too much my face. And I remember, like recently, like literally 5 days ago, somebody comment, come on with your videos. You have such of ugly face. No, so. I'm just saying, some people are so mean.
Oh, there's electric bikes actually behind us.
Electric bikes and ugly face of Damian. Anyways, let's go. I'm gonna show you now something what is at the front of me. Here, next to Discovery Kartika Plaza, actually this is Discovery Kartika Hotel. This is very difficult name. There's fancy restaurant. What do you think?
Yeah, this belongs to Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel, I think.
Yeah, pretty nice. And here's some business talk here. We're not gonna distract the people working. Oh, lovely couple making pictures next to Balinese Gate.
And then yeah, so many family friendlies here. I mean, like, so many family are here also walking and enjoying the beautiful beach, but there is no sunset today.
No sunset today, yes.
Oops, already thunder.
Unfortunately.
Oops.
No, this is not a thunder.
Oh.
This is, I don't know, they're making pictures only with the flashlights. Come on, don't freak out. Yeah, but it's nice. In general, it's nice. And I'm gonna show you a little bit also the hotel. This wing, at least, where is the swimming pool of the Kartika Plaza Hotel, open, operating, and there are even some people staying inside. So it's very, very cool. This is the name of the hotel, a very Kartika Plaza Hotel, to be exact. And I'm gonna tell you, as the clouds are getting really scary, we're gonna get to the other side of the mall quickly and going home before this big rain gonna come. I got outside, there's Burger King, but check this out, 5 monkeys, fresh burgers and hot dogs. And surprisingly, I'm gonna tell you, as this area is pretty good performing right now, at least since I was here last time, vlogging last time, I think in December or in November, not mentioned last 2 years, 3 years. So this is very optimistic, really optimistic today. Let's have a quick look on the streets, what's going on here before the big rain came, because big rain will come for sure today. On the rocks, that's the liquor shop as well. And there's of course Sogo, which is like, you know, Mark and Spencer here, and clothes and some cosmetics and all of this. Sephora should be somewhere there or something. But most interesting is what is actually on the other side of the street. There is a mini mart, empty shop, still didn't recover. Polo Ralph is also empty, didn't recover as well. But restaurants seems like they recover or recovering slowly at least. This is a good sign, like this one. Very nice kind of gastropub, warung and bar, how they call it. Telagas, warung with the little seafood place, and of course huge Spice Mantra Indian restaurant and the Bamboo Bar and Grill. Those businesses are open again and it feels like coming back to business. The view of the mall itself looks like this one from the other side. Not that bad, definitely busier than it was. Bamboo Bar and Grill since 2011. It's also open, and I see inside there are some people actually. That's very good. Not so, taxi driver is a little bit not happy because this guy parked here. Regarding to the bar, it was closed for 2 years. It's open again. There are people inside. That means as the Kuta finally end of March 2023 slowly is going back to business, to any kind of normal. And also, any of you most likely ask me, how is the water boom? Water boom going all right. I think it's open. I'm not sure if it's open at 6, 7, almost o'clock, but it's usually open. They open from 9 to 6 p.m. It's already closed, but generally it's open, if that makes sense. And then there is another strip of the Kuta, but that's for different day, different occasion. Yes, Sayang?
Yes, so yeah, that's all actually from the Discovery shopping mall, and also Discovery Discovery, what is it? Kuta Hotel area from the beach, and then behind, and then water boom. So if most of you have been to Bali and then, you know, have experience stroll around here, this is it now. And if you plan to come to Bali near in the future, so yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Nowadays there are so many Koreans coming to Bali. Bye bye.